One conversion factor that we talked about in one of the previous videos is 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. This is a conversion factor that we use for length. Another conversion factor that we might use in mass is 1 pound is equal to 453.6 grams. These are equalities. So what does an equality mean? I mean, in practical sense, say for example, if you take a string, put it on a ruler and measure its length. If the length of this string is 2.54 centimeters on a ruler that has centimeter marks on it, you take the same string and place it on a ruler which has inch markings on it. The length would be 1 inch. So in different units, it will be different number. So 1 unit of inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. How do we use these in problems? So, for example, a car travels 60 miles per hour. Right? Sometimes they write 60 mile per hour. Right? How many miles has this car traveled in 112 minutes? So the equality we have here, the time equality that we use here is that 60 minutes is 1 hour. Okay, this is a simple problem. So the car travels 60 miles per hour. How much distance has the car traveled in 112 minutes? So 112 minutes, this is the number in question. Every 1 minute, every 60 minutes, is 1 hour. And the speed of the car is 60 miles in 1 hour. This is how we see it being written. What is the meaning of this? So what we are trying to do is that these two are the facts that we know. This is a fact about the car. So that means this car, when it travels for 1 hour, the normal speed of the car is that it travels 60 miles in 1 hour. We also know that every 1 hour has 60 minutes. So in 112 minutes, how many miles has the car traveled? One way to do this is 112 minutes is equal to 1.87 hours. And so if the car travels 60 miles in 1 hour, how many miles will it travel in 1.87 hours? So as a ratio proportion. Another way to do this is 112 minutes. Okay, and I'm going to write one equality. We know 60 minutes is in 1 hour. And another equality that we know, the car travels 1 hour. In 1 hour, it travels 60 miles. Now, if there is, I'm going to deviate a little bit here. If there is a problem like this, right? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2 and 3. You divide this 2 with this 2, right? Can be done. What we're going to do here is we're going to treat this minute like a number. So minute divides the minute. Hour divides the hour. So then what you will be left with is a calculation 112 minutes. 112, not minutes, excuse me, minutes got cancelled. 112 multiplied by 1 over 60 multiplied by 60 over 1. Okay, this cancels, divides, and you're left with 112. Answer, 112 miles. So what does that mean? That means that in 112 minutes, the car travels 112 miles. Okay, this was a simple problem. We'll work on more complicated ones soon. So what you have treated that, the way you have treated this minute is just like another number, and you divided this minute with this minute, this hour with this hour. Instead of using the word divide, you can use cancel as well.